What is up, you guys? It is Parker here with Deco Exchange. Y'all, we've got another great tutorial out today, and I just wanted to remind you guys to subscribe to our channel, like the video down below, and at the very least, y'all, leave us a comment and let us know what you think. Hope you enjoy.
So, Mardi Gras. Y'all, we're going to start with our cuts for our ruffles. So on these, we need 8 20-inch. So there's our 8. Y'all, now we need to cut 20 at 10 inches. So we're going to use our whole mat and do them 10, 20, 30. So we cut 2 10-inch pieces for the bottom. We're going to take those, cross them, and put them around the bottom. So y'all, we're just curling them up, making an X, placing that X all the way around. So we use 1 whole roll of 10-inch mesh. The bottom we cut 20 10-inch squares. For the top, we cut 8 20-inch pieces. All right. So we're going to curl the outside on each one. Just push it together. And then we're going to add one of these little bow ties all the way around the top. Let's keep going. So y'all, we're just adding our little ruffles all the way around. In your kit, you're going to get 2 pipe cleaners that are going to have a pick on them. All right, so I'm going to use this as the backside. So I'm going to just insert my pick in a little bit. Then I'm going to add some hot glue. Then I'm going to push it in the rest of the way. Now, whenever you add your pick, make sure you go in at an angle. Y'all, the pick is longer than the styrofoam. So if you just push it straight through, it's going to go straight through. So it's like if you're getting an IV in your arm, right? You go in at an angle. All right, we're gonna let that glue dry. So let's make the one bow while the glue dries. All right, so let's make our at least one bow. I'm gonna do about a 10-inch tail. We're gonna do about a 7-inch loop. So y'all, we're gonna have one tail a little bit longer towards the bottom, a little bit shorter tails at the top. We do sell the bow maker. Yep. You can get it at decoexchange.com. You can get it at Amazon. You can get it on Etsy. Now on the center loop, I'm going to make it where both tails hang down. Get these twisted off. Get it pinched down. And twist. We're going to need 18 sets of tails. I'm going to use 2 sets. So we'll put those 2 together and these 2 together. So I'm going to do 14-inch ribbon tails. I'm going to use my ribbon tail board because it's just quick and easy for me. All right. So we're going to wrap this 9 times. So that's one set of tails. Let's cut our next set. All right. So if you missed the measurements, y'all, we're doing 9 sets of each one. And we're cutting them 14 inches. Okay, so because this one is not going to have bows all over it, your bottom layer is going to have ribbon pointing out. The top layer will be in an X. All right, so let's just layer our 2 ribbons. Fold it. Pinch it. All right, I like to fold mine out like this and then add them around the bottom. Then you just separate your tails. One goes down, one goes up, and then do it the opposite way on the other side. So you get this nice fanned out ribbon tail around the bottom. And we're just going to alternate. All right, so one thing that I do is if on this side I pull the 1.5 inch down, I do the same thing on the other side. So I do kind of keep that pattern the whole way. All right. So we're just going to keep going all the way around the base until it looks like that, all the way around. Now, y'all, if you enjoy these videos and you're not a member of our coaching group yet, you should check it out. So we do detailed videos in there, all different styles. Definitely up in the level a little bit. So now we have ribbon tails all the way around the bottom. Now on the top, because we're not going to have our bows that cover all the inside, we are going to do the X on the top. So normally, y'all, all my ribbon tails point out because we normally put bows on top, right? In this case, we're not covering the ribbon tails with bows. So we want to make sure that our ribbon tails cover the wreath. All right. So in this case, we want some tails going out and in. So, got our fleur-de-lis. Y'all, we're going to slip our pipe cleaners right in the center. Then we're going to add our bow. Y'all, whenever I do a single bow, I put mine down at the bottom, offset. All right, let's do our dovetails. All right, y'all, there we go. Nice and quick. That's all I got for tonight. I'm going to head home and de-glitter. All right. Bye, y'all.